Oh, here's the bumpy part. No, dude. Still, here's some off-road parts right here. Oh my god. Hey guys, Gonky here. Make more videos again. Today, guys, we have the Tundra back there. We're gonna be changing out the shocks and struts on this bad boy. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, so we have the Tundra right here. We've already started changing out the stuff on the other two sides, but basically they're two different types. You got the struts that are going to be in the front, and then you have the shocks that are going to be in the back. Right here are the actual, struts, and then the shocks right here that we're going to install. This one goes in the back, this one goes in the front. In terms of replacing parts and stuff, it's a fairly simple job. It's just that sometimes it can get a little bit tedious. So we've already done the other sides, like I said. Now we're going to actually show you how to do this side. First things first, we're going to have to take off that tire. So here we go. We're already taking it off. And also, guys, I'll put the links in the description below for both of these. So don't worry about it. The shocks right there and the struts. The main thing about this is I can't wait to actually drive on this. Now that the truck is jacked up, we're gonna get the last bolt right here off and we should be good to go. Ultimately, when you're actually working on your car, you want to use jack stands. While doing that, guys, I just want to show you how dirty the strut is right here. Absolutely not looking good. You can see the rubber right there. It's completely worn off. I'll show you when we actually take it off. The new ones are going to look awesome. All right, so we got some lighting in here, guys, and there's 3 bolts on the top that are 14 millimeter. 1 big bolt right here that's 19 millimeter that we're going to have to take it off right here. And the 3 bolts up here are pretty simple. 1, 2, and then 3. You'll be able to see them. They're hard to miss. And let's take it off. All right, guys, so once you take off all 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, don't take that one off. That's part of the actual strut. You'll be good to go to take off the 19 millimeter bolt down there. Most likely you will need a breaker bar. Yeah, without actually turning on the vehicle, we're gonna actually turn the wheel this way so that we can actually move that down. Now we have enough room to actually bring this bad boy down. There we go. It's all about torque right there. Okay, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now we just hammer it out. Quick little taps. All right, so there we go. We took out the bolt right there. And now slowly and carefully, there we go. It just comes off like that, easily, easy peasy. And that's the old one. Let's put it down to the side. Take a look at the old one versus the new one, guys. You can see all this right here, completely ripped apart, torn apart. And the new one looks really nice. This is gonna be nice. This is gonna feel nice. Let's see how it is. All right, so the first part is pretty simple. All you do is put it in there like so. And then the second part can be a little bit difficult because you're gonna have to get that bolt into there. So let's see how we do it. We're gonna use a new bolts that come with the kit to actually put it on there like so, just to keep it in place, not to actually tighten it up all the way first. The 3 bolts at the top are super easy. The next part is pretty tedious. All we have to do is kind of hammer it in. So once you get it in there, guys, all you'd have to do now is use the original bolt that came with it and put it back in. All right, it took a little bit of effort, but as you can see, we got it in there, guys. You might have to hammer it in there, but whatever you need to do, it might be different for your vehicle as well. Just get it in there and you'll be good to go. So now we just have to screw it in and we'll be done with this bad boy almost. We're gonna bolt the last 3 bolts up there, tighten it down, and be good to go, guys. Now obviously you can torque it down to the right specifications, but this is the old Tundra, as long as they're relatively tight. All right, guys, it is really that simple. There we have it. We have the strut in place, ready to go. The tire is going back on, and now we can start on the back one. Makes it a lot better with a gun like this, guys. I'll put the links in the description below as well. All right, and now we're gonna just drop it. And let's move on to the back part. Okay, so real quick, before I get to the back part right here, this is the back part, the old one for this tire right here. We already did it, but I'm gonna show you the other side how we do it. And this is a new one right here, so we're gonna install this one. You can see this one has no spring to it. This one still has spring to it, even though it has a little band around it. Once you take that band off, it's gonna slowly and nicely come out. This has no spring to it, and it's already, pretty much worn out. All right, so we're gonna go underneath the truck right here to show you where the shocks are for the back part. As you can see here, the back tires, this is one tire. Here's the tire 2 right here. As you can see, this is a brand new one right here. Nice shock, ready to go. It's already installed because all it is 2 bolts. There's one right there and one at the top. That's literally all it is to hold these in. And you don't even need to like jack up your car or anything like that, or truck or anything like that. But on this one, it's right there, as you can see, and we're gonna take it out. Look at that. So there we go. We're gonna break the bolt. There we go. We're gonna use a cheater bar. While we're down here, look at all this stuff down here, guys. Truck has so much space to work with versus like a car. Pretty cool. There we go. The first bolt is out, and make sure you save that bolt because obviously you're going to need it for put the second part in. And as you can see, it just comes off nice and easily. And now we're going to take the top part out. As you can see, Alberto's touching that top bolt up there. Here's a tire right here. That bolt needs to come up. However, you don't have to actually unbolt that. A lot of people, what they do is just cut it off because it's so hard to take it off. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just basically cut it off because your new shock comes with everything you require for that top part. And there we have it. We have the old part right there. It's completely destroyed. You're gonna throw it away anyways. It's perfectly fine however way you take it off. And as you can see, we just cut off the top part and you're good to go. Now the new part, obviously do not do any cutting like this. Yeah, the same thing that we did for the other side as well, because they're a little bit of a pain to take off. So cutting it is actually the easiest method. Now we're gonna put the new one in and let's see how it looks. As you can see, here's the actual old ones. We're gonna start cutting the new one and getting it on the truck, guys. There we go. Look how it opened up. Extremely smooth, you know, because obviously they're brand new versus something like this, which, you know, once you push it down, it takes some force to come down, but then obviously it doesn't come back up because they're pretty much gone. But as you can see, this one, we're going to push it down all the way and then nice and slowly comes back up. For the bottom one, obviously just put the bolt on like you saw how he used the breaking bar to break it off. And then for the top, make sure you have everything, all the rubber and everything like that ready to go. And this is a nut that's going to go all the way on the top. Let's actually install it. Let's get to it. So as you can see, guys, the top one is getting screwed on right there. And now we're going to go for the bottom one. And then tighten it in place and you'll be good to go. And there you guys have it. We have the brand new shock ready to go. Let's see how this thing feels. The other one is really easy to do because it's on this side right here, but you know, since this one is actually inside, you can see it right there. It's a little bit more difficult, but you know, it's still doable, guys. Not bad. And we're almost done with the last one right here. You're gonna screw on the top bolt right there. You guys already know. The one thing great about this one is the fact that you don't have to actually take off any of the tires or anything on the back, but the front you do have to take out the tires. But in my opinion, I think the front one is a lot easier because the back one you have to get rid of that top bolt that gets really difficult to actually take out. And we're getting in there and doing the top one right there. Alrighty, guys, once you have everything done from the front and also the back, you just have to put the last part back into place, and it's the tire. And we are done, guys. That is it. It really isn't that hard as long as you know what you're doing. There are just a few bolts. Your hands do get dirty. My hands were dirty a lot. Obviously, when you're working on a vehicle, I had to wash my hands a couple of times so I can touch my camera. But yeah, it is looking awesome. I can already tell it's a little bit higher, probably because, you know, it's brand new. I can feel like it's like a lot higher. And I can't wait to see how this actually feels. So let's go test it out. Let's see how it feels. Let's get to it. Alrighty, we are on a street right now that actually is super notorious for being extremely bumpy and stuff like that. So we're gonna test it out and see on this like extremely bumpy part that's coming up right here. Already I can feel a difference. What about you, dude? Yeah. Oh, here's the bumpy part. No, dude, don't lie. Did you drive this truck more often? This is your play truck. What did you think about it? Oh, dude, again. Dude, we're not kidding. That was pretty cool, right? Yeah, dude, because like, okay, this is his play truck. He's the one that owns the Tundra here, and you know, this is just his like whatever truck off-road. I mean, I guess crash it if he, I mean, not crash it, but you know, just mess around, play with truck. Felt really great. Let's do that again. Let's go back. We felt like it was smoother than his Tundra, which, oh, there's the actual turn right there, back there. We were making all kinds of weird U-turns here. Felt nice, dude. It felt nice. I'm excited to go back. Here comes the big part right here. Hold on, let's look at my reaction. Dude. What do you think, man? Like it?
Yeah, a lot better than the old ones.
Dude, if you go straight, it's more off-roady. Like, here's more... Here we go. We're gonna go more off-road down here. I guess they kind of fixed it with some black patches. But still, here's some off-road parts right here. Oh my god! Dude! Is it me? This feels better than the Tundra, dude. You know, the red Tundra that you guys always see on my channel.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
That was pretty awesome, dude. Are we going off-roading today?
Let's go.
It's too late. He wants to go off-roading. Not today, man.
Not today?
No, not today. We'll go off-roading with this thing sometime. But yeah, there you have it. You saw how it felt. You saw our reaction. You give this a thumbs up, dude? Yeah, thumbs up, man. This is awesome. Alrighty, guys, that's permission for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Links to purchase everything that I use, including the struts and the shocks, are going to be in the description section of the video below. And also I'll include the tools and as well as the impact gun to remove the tires a lot faster, obviously. But yeah, super duper easy install, guys, and I absolutely love it. Feels great, rides great, and I know you will love it. But with that being said, guys, you already know it. There's going to be a subscribe button and also a video button popping right here. Make sure you go for more videos in the future. Other than that, guys, can you just share saying thanks for watching and peace.